Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair for school. It usually takes me about 10 minutes. I use this Remington curling wand. I have no idea how big it was. It was like $20 at Target and I'm cheap, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I do is I usually spray it with a heat protector. It doesn't matter the kind. I'm not like in love with this one. I just got it because it was cheap again. So just go ahead and spray your hair. And then I'll just usually brush the ends just because they do get tangly. And then I kind of do it the lazy people way because I'm not a beauty expert. So I'll show you what I do. I just heat it up to 400 degrees. Whatever you guys want is fine though. They're still tangly. Okay. And then I hold the wand with my other hand and then wrap it away from my face. And then just hold it there for a couple seconds. And then let go. Ta-da! Yeah, you just do that all the way around your head. Okay, and then again, wrap it away from your face. Yes, I'm in my bedroom because the lighting in the bathroom was really bad. I normally just do my hair in the bathroom, but I wanted to show you guys what I do. And then I will meet you guys on the other side. Okay, so now that this side of my hair is done, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do the other side. This side never turns out quite as good, and I'm not very skilled with the curling wand, so I take the same hand as before, and I wrap it up. Like, I know that's not how you're supposed to do it, but it's how I do it, and I have no idea how you're supposed to, but it works, so. See? Ta-da! Everybody who's good at curling their hair is gonna be like, oh, she messed it up. That's okay though. I'm just showing you guys what I do. I don't know what I'm doing. It turns out okay, I think. I don't know. Maybe it turns out bad. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I normally do. Okay. And then I gotta brush it out a little bit. And then hairspray. I just use this one. Got it on sale. Okay, and then I have my natural part right here. Then I will just go ahead and take the regular brush I was using to comb out my hair with, and then back comb a little bit for volume. This is the final product. You guys can brush it out too if you like, and make it a little bit more beachy looking, I guess. So there we have it. This is the final look, and I typically just pin my bangs back for school, so I don't have a bobby pin with me, but I'll just grab that right there and pin it back, and then go to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Disclaimer, I'm very weird, and I know this, so be prepared. But yeah, I'm gonna do more pharmacy videos hopefully soon. I start school in about 2 weeks. Still a little nervous, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna be starting my 4th semester. So, catch you guys later.